Ever wonder why some people seem to do so much in a day while others barely scratch the surface? It's all about how they handle their time. Productive people don't have extra hours. They just use them better. So if you want to get more done, start paying attention to how every second ticks by. Being a solopreneur rocks because you're the boss of you. No one tells you what to do, when to do it, or how to do it, except yourself. It's a dream lots of people have, but a few live out. Yet, with all that freedom comes a ton of responsibility. You're the one-stop shop for everything, from start to finish. So when things go right, it's all on you. And when they go wrong, yep, still on you. Many solopreneurs trip up trying to keep everything on track in and day out. Sure, you're amazing at your craft and love what you do, but there's a ton of other things that fall through the cracks. And guess what? That's where the trouble starts. Not being ready, not staying consistent, and not paying attention can really mess things up. Eventually, it could even sink your ship. But don't sweat it. While there's no one-size-fits-all solution, there are some tricks to make life smoother and keep your business sailing along. Are you a solo entrepreneur juggling a never-ending to-do list? It's common for solo business owners to feel stretched thin, but there are ways to work smarter and not just harder. Here are 7 productivity hacks tailor-made for solopreneurs. First, work out when you do your best work. Discovering when you're most productive is key to getting stuff done. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Figure it out and schedule your important tasks accordingly. If you're not sure when you work best, experiment for a few weeks. Keep track of when you feel super productive and when you just not feel it. Over time, you'll spot a pattern. Besides timing, consider your environment. Do you like silence, background noise, or music? Does room temperature affect your focus? Pay attention to these details and they can make a big difference in your productivity. Second, prioritization and goal setting. When you've got a lot to do, it's hard to know where to start. And that's where prioritization and goal setting come in. First, take time to really think about each task and how it fits into your bigger goal. Figure out which ones will have the most impact and focus on those first. The Eisenhower matrix is a handy tool for sorting tasks by urgency and importance. It helps you decide what to do now and what to do later, and what to delegate and what to skip altogether. For your larger goals, use the SMART approach: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This method keeps your goals clear and actionable. By using it, you'll always know what you're working towards and how to get there. Third, outsource what you can. As a solo entrepreneur, you'll notice certain tasks in your Eisenhower matrix and SMART analysis that can be outsourced. Delegating these tasks help you focus on what you do best and keeps your business running long and smooth. Remember, you don't have to be an expert at everything. Consider hiring freelancers from platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour for specific tasks. They work faster and often cheaper, allowing you to save time and stay in control of your business. With freelancers, you're not tied to long-term commitments. They're available when you need them, freeing up your time for more strategic activities. Virtual assistants can also handle administrative duties, giving you the freedom to focus on growing your business. Fourth, master time management. To maximize your productivity as a solopreneur, mastering time management is crucial. Here are some simple yet effective strategies. Number 1, practice time blocking. Set aside specific time periods in your calendar to focus on different tasks. By dedicating uninterrupted time to each task, you can ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Prioritize important tasks within each block to make the most of your day. Second, Adopt the Pomodoro technique. Work in focus intervals of 25 minutes followed by 5-minute breaks. After 4 intervals, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Use this time to recharge and step away from your task. This technique helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. Third, create a to-do list. Start each day by making a list of tasks you need to complete. This helps organize your workload and provides a clear roadmap for the day. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, focusing on completing one major task alongside smaller ones. Fourth, separate work and break times. Maintain a clear distinction between work and break times to avoid burnout and maintain a work-life balance. During work periods, stay focused on tasks without distractions and use break times to relax and recharge, engaging activities that bring joy and energy. Implement these tips to increase productivity, reduce stress, and achieve greater work-life balance. Fifth, leverage technology. Taking advantage of the power of technology can levitate your productivity as a solopreneur. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up valuable time and mental space for more meaningful work. Plus, managing your goals and tasks electronically allows for instant updates and edits, saving you loads of time. Productivity apps are your best friend when it comes to staying organized and making progress on your projects. Whether it's keeping track of your tasks or managing projects, apps like Monday.com, Asana, Salesforce, and HubSpot provide the structure you need to stay on top of things. Investing in CRM, also known as Customer Relationship Management, or CMS, Customer Management System, software can take your business interactions to the next level. This tool helps you maintain clarity on your initiatives, streamline project tasks, and enhance communication with clients, freelancers, virtual assistants, and all of which contribute to faster business growth. 6. Stay focused on self-care. Taking care of yourself is the first for staying sharp and productive as a solopreneur. Create a regular breaks into your day to prevent burnout and maintain peak performance. Physical activities like exercise, whether it's hitting the gym, doing yoga, or simply taking a brisk walk, can boost you both your physical and cognitive abilities, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. Practice mindfulness through activities like meditation to improve focus and reduce stress. Even just a short 15-minute session each morning can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Maintain defined work hours to strike healthy balance between your professional and personal life. Communicate your availability to others to avoid unexpected disruptions and manage expectations. Create a ritual for the end of your workday to mentally transition from work to personal time. This could include setting tasks for the next day, tidying up your workspace, physically closing the door to signal the end of the workday. Lastly, don't forget to take full days off to rest and recharge. Giving yourself time to rejuvenate both mentally and physically will prepare you to tackle any challenges that may come your way. 7 is sleep. As a solopreneur, it's tempting to sacrifice sleep to get more done, but it's actually counterproductive. Skimping on sleep leads to lower quality work and more mistakes in the long run. Instead of pushing yourself past exhaustion, listen to your body and respect your limits. Getting enough sleep, around 7 to 8 hours each night, is essential for optimal performance. Establish a consistent bedtime routine to help train your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. This might mean winding down with a book before bed and aiming for lights out by a certain time. While it may require discipline to prioritize sleep, the benefits are worth it. You'll feel less stressed, think more clearly, and ultimately be more productive in the long term. So make sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine as a solopreneur. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on productivity and entrepreneurship. We love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite productivity hack? Share it with us. And remember, the journey to success is better when you support each other. So share this video with your fellow solopreneurs and let's grow together. Until next time, stay focused, stay productive, and keep chasing your dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.